Alrighty, so we are here with the Nissan. Austin has been diligently at work on this, put the motor back in, and then we finished getting, and Kennedy, and then we finished hooking everything back up. Coolant's in, oil's in, tranny fluid's in.
Power steering rack is blown.
Power steering rack is leaking, which we want to kill ourselves.
Yeah.
But we're going to try to get it cranked. I mean, there's a lot of variables that we're not sure about, like is the timing set correctly? Shoot, I don't know. Other than that, I don't know what the variables are. So bigger turbo, GT28 71 RS or 72 RS, I don't know, something like that. Bigger turbo with the factory injectors still, so we can't actually drive the car even if it was running until we get bigger injectors in a tune. But we just want to get the thing idling and knowing that it's going to work, and sorting out some issues. Like there was a slight oil leak coming from somewhere about here, but we can't tell if it's from the new oil pump, this front cover.
That's why we have an oil pressure gauge.
The head. Yes, we have an oil pressure gauge now. Everything is so dirty because we know it's going to get dirty, and it wouldn't do us any good to clean it now.
Literally.
So I think we've checked all our boxes.
I think so.
There might be a wire or two that are unaccounted for that we're not 100% sure about, but we think we have everything in the right place.
Yeah, I think it'll start.
So yeah, we're gonna try and start it now and see what happens.
Ooh,
I'm scared.
I'm going to...
Oh, we got new springs in the transmission, or in the whatever. No.
Do you have power windows in this thing?
Heck yeah, dude. This is high tech for 95.
Premium.
Fuel pump. What is this other one? Fans?
Yes, they're definitely fans.
Heard fans.
They work.
Let's see what happens. Nothing.
It did sound like it's low on juice though, battery wise.
It does, yeah. I'm only showing 10.5 on the gauge.
Okay. You want to get that jump starter and hook up to it?
Well,
Or is that the old battery or is that the new
I
battery?
got another battery back there.
I thought you got the one off the boat.
I did.
Oh, nice. What the hell? Oh, you're jumping it from another battery?
Yeah.
Holy shit already. What?
Yeah, not,
And it's still only showing 10.5?
it was, but that could have been, I don't know. That could have just been those connections weren't good.
Maybe.
That is a rusty freaking thing. No, it's still 10.4. That battery might just be dead.
Yeah, maybe shot.
Let me try it again.
She wants it. You heard those couple little...
Yeah, a couple of putts,
Yeah.
but no dice. Yeah, these two injectors were not fully plugged in, so that could definitely be something.
I don't see any more oil pushing its way out of there, but the block hasn't been pressurized yet. Necessarily, so...
No, true, it's not spinning it at speed yet.
So, I'm not sure.
All right, let me try it now that we found those loose injectors.
And then we'll go to jump in with something on my car.
Right.
My car over here.
Right. Nissan jumping a Nissan. Oh, you heard that kick. I got 11.2 now.
Alright.
Let's see. Is that a kick?
Yeah.
All right. Let's
I didn't
test.
see any correlation with the pops and the turning.
Okay. That's as good as you can do there. Let's test spark. Wait, how do I do this? So we're not saying this is a problem, but the spark plug is cracked. Yep. That was for cylinder 1.
Because like when you're trying to pull it off, the spark plug will break and put porcelain all in their cylinder, and then you have to get a porcelain extractor.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Well, 2 out of our 4. Yeah, like it's not, but the porcelain in here isn't cracked.
Yeah.
And that's what would fall in your cylinder. Well, I mean, actually, we should double check. This is one of the broken ones, and that's fine. Yeah, but both of these, I mean, I could have broken 2 of them undoing it, but man, that's super weird.
But you did them all the same way.
How much is each one?
They're not bad. They're just like a few bucks.
Okay, these are.
Because you just get copper ones.
Obviously, these are copper, so like
Yeah, they
$3.
recommend that over the iridiums and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, we've changed spark plugs and installed the knock sensor that we missed. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. All right, voltage is 10.9. It's not much different than with your car on it. Here we go. Oh.
Smoke there for a second.
Smoke? That's
Yeah.
good, son. It's trying to pop. Trying to fire. Okay, so now we're double checking timing, and we're pretty positive that the timing is set between the crank and the cams. But this, when we pulled out our cam angle sensor, it did seem to be off. Rotated it like a quarter turn to line up the dots, pushed it in, everything looks correct. It's locked in place. So hopefully that was the issue. I mean, it sounds like it could definitely be the issue.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put it all back together and try and give it a crank. Everything's back on. Another try.
Guess so.
There we go.
Why do you have to make me like cars?
So much heartbreak. Oh dear God. Oh dear God.
Okay, we have a drip coming from that power steering wheel right there. Rattling going on right here. It's on the motor.
Rattles in the head.
Yeah, for sure. Got something over tight, probably.
Could be those lifters. I've let them well, but yeah, she like.
Yeah, it was like instantly. I was like, oh shit. You kind of scared me.
Yeah. Look at our oil pressure. Hey.
What about oil pressure? Oh yeah, good shit.
That's what's up.
Cool. Now she's running at 12 volts, so that's cool.
Get some fans going.
Yeah, let her idle for a bit. Gotta burn all that shit I sprayed on it off.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, definitely is.
So we might have to do something with that head, but
Yeah. That's a weird noise.
I know, very weird.
Yeah. Do you see any oil coming out of that block? I don't see anything out there.
Those are coolant.
There's still...
Actually, I'm gonna shut it off.
Okay. But hey, you know what? It starts.
Yo, that's what's up.
I'll take that as a win.